you guys doing, Daker? Welcome back to the channel. Got the short sleeve shirt on today. Welcome back, 9043. I'll spin you around, show you what we got going on. We got BDS on the scene here. Got an old, dying, decrepit. Uh-oh, we got a stink. Shane just put a stink on my shoulder. Bad Shane. So, I'll show you the remainder of the tree. So a lot of it's already gone. So we swing it over the home, drop it here in the drop zone. See the trees, the remnants in the street. Guys grab it with the bobcat, saw it up, throw it in the chipper, spit it in the truck. I think here's the culprit of some of the drama for the homeowner. So just 2 days ago, some limbs fell off and smacked the roof. We got really lucky. Nice newer roof too. It's only about 6 years old. I like the charcoal gray with the black drip edge. Looks good. But yeah, this kind of stuff is definitely problematic, homeowners. I should have got a better picture of it. I'll show you some of the tree itself. It's in the street. Again, once again, BDS paints. We use them all the time. We got Iker and TJ on the scene. So here's some of the remnants. Still had some time in it, but some of the stuff was breaking off. And you could definitely tell it was time to go. So when this stuff hits the roof, see how rotted that is? So the beauty of it is a few of the limbs outside hit the roof, but they were so dry and rotted they just basically shattered once they hit the roof. So let me see how far we are. I might put you on pause, so stand by. So we're back on the other side looking at the saw cut. Uh-oh, yeah, we're getting ready to lift off. Very pretty sight, huh? Pretty to the homeowner to finally get this away from the house. Always larger when it comes down to the ground, so especially when you have a size relevance. So. Other than that, guys, anybody in the market for some older wood, let us know. And once again, I appreciate you checking back in. Got the bobcat, got the chipper on the scene, got the chipper truck. I got Bojangles. Bojangles is around the corner for those that know them. Other than that, 985-259-3352. Thanks for watching.